Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on Paracable's Apple Watch charger cable. And the color on this one is called Carbon. Okay, so let's do the unboxing first. So we just have one small cut here. And we're going to open it up. And inside, again, they're all Paracables, have the nice tie cord Velcro strap. Really neat to keep your cords organized, unlike all of mine. So this is the USB-C end, and it's called Carbon is their color for it. USB-C to the Apple Puck Apple Watch. It's kind of rubbery around the outside, hard plastic, really high quality as all their products are. So next I'd like to introduce my good buddy Fred. He's a sulfur-crested cockatoo, and he likes to chew cords. And we're going to show right now, this is just a plain network cable. I want to show you how fast this little sucker can rip a cord apart. And he is very prone to doing it quick. So he's kind of taking his time right now. Normally he'd be right through that, but I want to show you how strong his beak actually is. There he goes. He does it actually vertically. Instead of just chewing on it, he goes right down it like a banana and peeling it. And we'll show you pictures later here of what he did to this cord, but he shreds them fast, and he likes it. Now, here's Paracables. Now watch this. And I don't want him getting to the puck end because, again, that's soft rubber. He could hurt that, but the cable itself is what I want to focus on. And he's already getting upset. He's grabbing it from me and taking it away. But you can see, and if you'd hear this, he's actually making click noises every time his beak tries to break the cable. It click, click, makes click noises. So you can't hear it, but I want to show you, after this is done, what he's done to the cable, which is absolutely nothing. I'm trying to focus here on best I can. This cable is braided multiple times, and I'm going to go over that later on in the specs, but he didn't as much as hurt one single braid. Now there's what he finished on his network cable. I don't think it's going to be working anytime soon, and there's no fixing that. So that's what he does to a cable compared to Paracable's cords. So say goodbye, Fred. Tiny little downside, Paracable's boxes just don't hold up to Fred. So let's get into some specs on this. It's a cable that's wrapped 32 strands. Other brands only use 16 to 24, so this one's wrapped multiple times more. Makes it much stronger, tighter than normal cable. It's hassle-free warranty with a 2-year warranty. It's 7 times stronger, like I said, than other cables because of the weave. 35,000 bends before it have a problem. Paracable cables have a high compatibility with over 1,000 plus devices, so basically everything that's out there. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Not many companies out there are going to offer you that kind of quality, so that just shows you right there the quality and the backing of this product. So that's my video on Paracable's Apple Watch cable. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.